Hey guys, I just wanted to do a video of me installing my Arrow Series 300 because I never installed it on video like I usually do, so we're going to be doing that today. So the first thing is we need to take off the union. Now this is the union right now. It does have quite a fast speed, but here it is. I can't open it fully. Try about there. There you go. But yeah, we're going to be taking this off and replacing it back with the Arrow Series 300 from my school. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is get the drill and take it off. Here it is, it's off now. The last thing we need to do before we can install it is take this piece off, which is held by some screws, obviously. Okay, so the door's now probably gonna, the door can now swing freely. But time to install the Arrow. So the first thing we need to do is take off the cover. These are the screws for them. They're quite tiny to keep the cover in place. Anyway, that comes off. We get the beautiful look of the Arrow. So what we need to do next is I need this tool to like, you know, take off the arms. So let's do that. So I need to move the arms around. And then that's come off. I think it's stuck in there. There we go. We just this is the bolt. Anyway, the arms will come off. These are quite rare arms, by the way. You can't usually find these. Ooh. Do not want to damage this cover. Anyway, sharp corners. Anyways, so what we need to do now is make the logo upside down, because it needs to go like this. And then just put the arms back on, screw it in. Oops. Trying to do this. Come on. I need to get like a drill piece. So I can screw these in with my drill. I don't have one yet. No, we'll leave the arms loose for now, so they're gonna be like that for now. But what we're gonna do next is I forgot to find the screws, but I believe this is one right here. It's quite rounded. Hopefully that doesn't break. Yeah, that should work. I should slide that down a bit. Now I'll put the cover back on. There you go. That's better. And that other sound, by the way, is rubbing. I'll do one more cycle and then we'll put the cover on. And there it is.